I don't even have the side-by-side on the trailer yet. What's up, everybody? It's Shiny here. It's Friday. The cold snap's gone here in northern Manitoba. It's -5 today. I'm going out to cut some wood. I got the day off. Kids are at school. Got my 572 and my 562 XP. Let's go out and get a load of wood. Hasn't been started since the last time we used it. That's only the third tank of fuel in that saw, so there's a big chunk of blow down here, and that's kind of what I'm going for today is blow down and, you know, easy pickings. But so it's nice because it's off the ground. We'll start bucking it up. See, there's lots of dirt right here at the stump from when it fell over, so we're gonna cut a little further up so I don't dull the chain. I'll set you up here. That's primo firewood right there. It's a beautiful day outside. The 572, I mean, it's on its third tank. I'm breaking it in. It seems, I'm gonna be honest with you, it seems slow, like to get it going. Like, it doesn't wind up right away. I think it has a lot to do with the muffler and these restricted mufflers that come on the new saws. So, whew. I'm out of breath, out of shape. Anyway, I'm gonna still play around with it. We'll get some footage. I'm gonna fire up the 562 here too right away. Just gonna load this wood. Uprooted. Lots of good firewood here right off the ground, but Look at all those limbs. You son of a bitch. But let's do her. It's 20 inches, and I'll tell you what, that saw on the bigger wood with the pipe, definitely I'm noticing the difference now. So, you know, from the previous video to now, this is frozen freaking stiff. This is spruce. It's got a lot of pitch. Got a lot of pitch in the middle, and it went through it pretty good. It didn't slow down. Whew. Anyway, let's get back to firewood here. .572 stock. I mean, like, what do you think of this saw? What do you think of it stock? What do you guys think of it stock? I mean, it's on its third tank. I'm breaking it in. I only can compare it to the 372 that I have, and I'll be honest, the 372 is a lot faster. This thing's got a lot of power, no doubt about it. It's there. It's just the chain speed, and I don't know, it just feels like it's holding back, and I think it's the muffler. Maybe we should get a pipe for this one. Try it out. Get another pipe and and do some test runs on her. Okay, here's the last of it, and then I'm gonna call her quits. Okay, spruce, it's about 6 to 8 inches in diameter, and I kept them long because what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna carry them out. I thought about winching them out, but there's just too much crap on the ground. I'll probably end up getting hung up on something and fighting with it, so I'm gonna just strap on the old guns here and carry it out. I cut myself a little trail here, and we'll buck it up closer to the side by side. So let's get at her. Daylight's burning here. I'm 42 years old. Frickin' get it, guys. Don't sit around, just frickin' go out and get it. Yeah! Alright, we're gonna save the biggest for last here. See if I can do it. I'm pretty wiped. A good 8 inches. It's connected out here. Feel it. This is the frickin'. Do it now. Okay, I gotta get going here. I'm freaking just living, doing something. Anyway, that's a wrap. Hey, how'd you like the firewood session with the 2 of the pro saws from the Husqvarna 5 series, 562 and the 572. Let me know what you think. Shout out to all the newcomers. Thanks for watching. My subscribers, thank you. I mean, it's climbing every day. Every day I get a few more, and I hope you're enjoying the content. I'm enjoying making it, and we'll see you on the next one. There's the load. Check this out. Freaking overload springs are working hard. I don't even have the side-by-side on the trailer yet. All right, catch you later.